planet's name. How many planets are there in the solar system? There are 11 planets in the solar system. Number 1, Sun. 2, Mercury. 3, Venus. 4, Earth. 5, Mars. 6, Jupiter. 7, Neptune. 8, Saturn.
9, Uranus. 10, Pluto. 11, Moon. Review time.
Mercury. Venus. Earth. Mars. Jupiter. Saturn. Uranus. Neptune. Pluto. Moon. Planets facts. Sun. I am sun. I am a burning ball of fire. I am very big. Pluto. I am Pluto. I am the largest ever planet. I am icy and rocky planet. Moon. I am moon. I am the Earth's natural satellite. I am the brightest object in the sky after sun. Uranus. I am Uranus. I am an icy gas giant. I have rings made of dust. Neptune. I am Neptune. I am an icy gas giant. I have many storms. Saturn. I am Saturn. I am a gas giant. My rings are made of ice. Venus. I am Venus. I am the same size as the Earth planet. I spin the other way and much more slowly. Mercury. I am Mercury. I am the closest planet to the Sun. I am a ball of iron. Mars. I am Mars. I am rocky red planet. I have highest mountains. Earth. I am Earth. I am a place where all live. I have land, mountains and lots of water. Jupiter. I am Jupiter. I am a gas giant. I am the biggest and I spin the faster.